How to download TikTok back if you deleted it. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download TikTok back if you've deleted it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is check if TikTok is back available in App Store. You can simply search for it, search for TikTok, and after you search for TikTok, if you find it, we can simply tap on the download button to download it. If you don't find it, you can head over to your Safari and then search for TikTok download. After you search for that, you should be able to see TikTok option there. And there you go, it's on the App Store option. Now if you don't find it, you can turn on your VPN and then do the same step. After you do that, you should find it on your Safari. Tap on the install button here, and there you will see your App Store will open up, and then you can tap on the download button to download TikTok back. And that is how you can download TikTok back if you ever deleted it. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.